Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel IT Pro. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Hello everyone. Now here, today I am going to give you some idea related with the evolution of graphics design, or you can say that the history of graphic design also. Okay, now here I am going to start evolution of graphic design. As you know that the graphic design is so much popular nowadays and demand also in the market. So the term graphic design, as we know that today, is important or playing vital role. Do you know that when it was came into existence in the early 20th century, William A. Dwiggins coined the term in 1922. William A. Dwiggins has coined the term graphic design. Although the evolution of graphic design is closely linked to technological innovations, means graphic design were improved as per the technology were invented time to time, means parallelly both things are developed in the scenario. It has been practiced in various forms throughout history. They are used the graphic design for the various purposes like symbol, monogram, logo. Okay, in the past history and today also they are using that. So here we are trying to understand the evolution of graphic design over the ages. Broadly, the evolution of graphic design can be categorized in 4 distinct stages. The development has been categorized in 4 distinct ages, different categories. Before the invention of printing press, after the invention of printing press, modern graphic design till 2000, and technology in graphic design 2001 onwards. The 4 categories are before invention of printing, or you can say that printing press, after the invention of printing press, modern graphic design till 2000, and graphic design technology, or you can say that technology in graphic design 2001 onwards. Okay, here is the picture of William A. Dwiggins. The left side picture is showing how he feel proud, and in right side figure showing that to making some design on paper. Okay, now we are going to get more about this graphic design. The first era, before the invention of printing press. Before invention of printing press, in the history that has been recognized, and we have got the information related with that, that is cave printing. The particular printing or making the different type of symbols in the cave in different regions. and different symbols used by Egyptian era, which is showing in the right side figure. So cave printing are the earliest evidence of human design. A very beginning designing is shown, or we have got, in the cave printing. Drawing on a surface, they have drawn the different designs of animals, human, gods, or the nature on the surface, wall, etc. Around the 4th century BC, ancient Egyptians started engraving their walls with symbol that had different meaning, which has been shown in figure 3.3. They are using the symbols. That symbol is later on has been called as or known as typography, which has been given in the previous video. And on that era, Egyptian era, they have used the symbol for different meanings. Nowadays also that has been used for the different meanings. Here I am giving the example which is related with from that era. That is group of people. You have seen the icons on the mobile. Group of people that will show you or giving you the idea about the social networking, right? Image of the phone, that is showing you that the phone contact number. Okay, a few thousand years later, in the 7th century AD, printing was discovered in China. 7th century AD, printing was discovered in China. The Chinese used natural colors on wooden blocks and printed them on paper. That was used in the printing also, and that particular wooden blocks were used nowadays, but that has been used in the printing on cloths like saris, cloths, etc. The first time discovered in China by using the blocks with the natural colors on the wooden block and printed them on paper. On that time they have printed on the paper. Around the same time, due to the availability of natural ink and paper, calligraphy developed throughout the world. Near about the same era, same years, availability of natural ink and paper. Due to this, calligraphy developed. Calligraphy is the method to write on the paper in artistic way. That is called calligraphy. That was developed throughout the world. By the 13th century, drawings and lettering were used together in signboards for shops. Means after the calligraphy in 13th century, drawing and lettering, drawing that is the design, lettering that is calligraphy, were used together as a symbol for shops, and slowly but gradually that has been used for the different firms, different governing bodies, were used in their flag, their dress, their caps. That has been the gesture and symbol of their destiny. Now here I am going to tell you that printing numbers, letters or design put on the surface using ink or dye with the help of a machine is known as printing. Printing means you are designing the numbers, letters or figure design on the surface that is particular paper, cloths, with the help of ink or dye, with the help of machine is called printing. Okay, and calligraphy, as I said, that beautiful and artistic handwriting is called calligraphy. Now next one is after the invention of printing press. Here is the illustration of the Gutenberg press. That Gutenberg has invented the first or used the first printing press. This is the image of that. So the first mechanical printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440 AD, which has been shown in the figure. This provided a great impetus to the production of books and other printed material. This is the first mechanical printing press, and this has provided the great impetus to the production of books and other printing material like magazines, pamphlet, board, signing board, etc. Representation of a group, objects or values using visual elements inspired the creation of logos in the late 14th century. Alois Senefelder, a German author and actor, envisaged the fact that oil and water do not mix and created a black and white printing method called lithography. First was invented by the Johannes Gutenberg printing press, and that has been used by the group of people for the object or value using elements inspired the creation of logo in 14th century, which can help that printing press by the getting the idea. They are making the logos or monograph in late 14th century. Another person has came after that, named as Alois Senefelder, a German author and actor, who envisaged the fact that oil and water do not mix and created a black and white printing method called lithography. That has been, before of that they are using the oil and color mixed with that, and then after using the printing press, but he has used a black and white printing without mixing oil and water, and black and white printing is called lithography, right? And this was invented in 1796. Now afterward, multicolor lithography called chromolithography was invented in 1837 AD. Lithography, that is black and white printing or designing, right? And multicolor means chromolithography, means black and white, only one black and white is there, and but in chromolithography multicolor were there, that is the mixture of color, right? Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.